Today we are looking at the 2024 Cadillac XT5 Luxury in Ebony Twilight Metallic. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these jet black leather seats. These seats contain heating in the front row. The interior is finished in jet black. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, lane assist, a heated steering wheel option, and more. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your controls for headlights, high beams, windshield wipers, and your gauge cluster. The driver's side door panel contains power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors. Power seat controls can be found on the sides of the driver and passenger seats. As we jump inside, in the center of the dash is your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in navigation and radio. Below, you'll find your climate control settings, as well as your settings for heated seats in the front row. The center column features 2 cup holders, your gear shifter, media and volume controls, and more. The center console features loads of room for storage, as well as 2 USB charging ports, as well as an SD card tray. Throughout the vehicle, you'll find Bose speakers delivering crisp audio throughout. As we take a look at the exterior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these vertical LED headlights, as well as the chrome front grille and Cadillac logo. Below, this XT5 sits on 18-inch alloy wheels. Many of the exterior options are finished in chrome, such as door handles, roof rails, and side skirts. As we head to the back, you'll notice tinted rear windows. With the touch of a button, we can release the power liftgate, showcasing the spacious cargo area, equipped with rubber mats, allowing for easy cleaning and spacious cargo room. As we jump into the back seat, your second row passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, rubber floor mats, USB charging, and pull-down cup holders. These seats are split in a 60-40 fashion, and on both sides there is a manual release that, when pulled, allows us to extend our cargo room that much more. And that is the 2024 Cadillac XT5 Luxury in Ebony Twilight Metallic, located at Wolfe, Cadillac, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, and we'll be happy to help.